A healthy newborn can weigh over 3.5 kilograms, but that's how much Shorouk weighs at 9 months old. She's been diagnosed with severe acute malnutrition and is on a supplementary feeding program. Her mother Mirvat was unable to breastfeed her for months while mourning the death of her brother in Syria. That's why Shorouk's health deteriorated.
I want Shorouk to heal and be like the rest of her siblings. All my children walked at Shorouk's age. It's because of the tough times we've been through.
A recent health assessment of Syrian refugees in Lebanon described malnutrition as a silent and emerging threat. The assessment reveals that 2,000 Syrian children are at risk of dying out of 10,000 cases of both severe and moderate malnutrition. Mit'ab al-Rajab is diagnosed with moderate malnutrition and is being treated. His father says Mit'ab has been sick ever since they arrived in Lebanon a month ago.
He was okay in Syria, but when we came here, the cold and the rain made him sick because we didn't have a wooden frame to hold our tent.
Most of the children suffering from malnutrition are living in makeshift camps in the Bekaa Valley, where safe drinking water is scarce and hygiene can be poor. Malnutrition can be caused by an inadequate or an imbalanced diet, but the illness is also linked to the refugees' squalid living conditions. Children play around in this filthy wastewater all day. Poor sanitation and improper practices like this one make the children vulnerable to serious hygiene-related illnesses. Several families in this part of the camp are suffering from scabies. Others say their children have chronic diarrhea from drinking unsafe water. Humanitarian agencies are trying to screen as many Syrian children as possible before it's too late.
It did not reach yet the serious situation. However, because we are in Lebanon, and Lebanon is not equipped and ready to respond to acute malnutrition, that's why we are currently putting, and it's active already, a plan for activating healthcare centers.
It will take millions of dollars to improve the environment these children are living in and contain malnutrition. That becomes more difficult as new Syrian refugees arrive in Lebanon every day. Nisreen El-Shamayleh, Jazeera, the Bekaa Valley, Lebanon.